Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The median of 7 consecutive positive integers is 5. If one of the integers is selected at random, what is the probability that the selected integer is a multiple of 3? Okay, here we have information about 7 consecutive positive integers. For example, let me say 7 is the first positive integer. Then what is the consecutive positive integer? Everyone can say that is 8. After 8, we have 9, 10, 11. In this way, we can write consecutive positive integers. Okay, from 7 to get the consecutive positive integer 8, what should I do? I have to add 1 to 7. The same thing I have to do with 8 to get the consecutive positive integer 9. Again, I have to do the same thing. But I do not know exactly what is the first integer. Just for an example, I have taken 7. Okay, since we do not know the first integer, let's assume x is the first positive integer. Now to get the consecutive positive integer, I have to add 1 to this x, then we get x positive 1. Now to get the consecutive positive integer, we have to add 1 to this x positive 1, then we get x positive 2. Since we have 7 consecutive positive integers, we have to write that is x positive 2, x positive 3, x positive 4, x positive 5, x positive 6. Here we have 7 consecutive positive integers. And also we have these consecutive integers in ascending order, that is from least to greatest. Okay, now to get the median of these 7 consecutive positive integers, we have to get the middle value. Here the middle value is x positive 3. So x positive 3 represents the median. Already we have median in the question, that is 5. So this x positive 3 must be equal to 5. Okay, now let's solve for x in this equation. For that, we have to subtract 3 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 3, negative 3 will cancel out. I'm getting x on the left side. On the right side, we get 2. Okay, here I got the value of x, that is 2. We know that x is the first integer. Let's plug in this 2 for x over here. Then we get 2. Then consecutive integer will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 7 consecutive positive integers with the median 5 according to the given information. Now I have to select one integer at random from these 7 consecutive positive integers, and I have to find the probability that the selected integer is a multiple of 3. Since I'm going to select one integer from these 7 integers, I have to write the total number of integers in denominator, that is 7. Okay, now let's pick the integers which are multiple of 3. So we have 3 and 6. There are 2 integers which are multiple of 3. So we have to write 2 over here. So 2 over 7 is the probability that the selected integer is a multiple of 3.